Law 2. The second law of power. Never put too much trust in friends, learn how to use enemies. In the game of power, trust is a valuable commodity, but it can also be a double-edged sword. Robert Greene's book, The 48 Laws of Power, outlines 48 rules that can help you achieve and maintain power in any situation. The second law is, never put too much trust in friends, learn how to use enemies. The essence of this law is that trust should never be absolute. Friends and allies can become enemies, and enemies can become allies. It is essential to be aware of this dynamic and not to put too much trust in anyone. Instead, you should focus on using your enemies to your advantage. One way to do this is to turn your enemies into allies. By understanding their motivations and desires, you can find common ground and work together towards mutual goals. This not only strengthens your position of power, but it also eliminates a potential threat. Another way to use your enemies is to learn from them. Observe their behavior and strategies, and use this knowledge to improve your own. You can also use your enemies as a source of motivation, pushing yourself to be better and achieve more. It is also important to remember that trust is a two-way street. Be cautious of those who claim to be your friend but have ulterior motives. Always be on the lookout for betrayal and never reveal too much about yourself or your plans. Trust should be earned and not given freely. In conclusion, the second law of power, never put too much trust in friends, learn how to use enemies, is a reminder to be mindful of the dynamic nature of relationships and to not trust anyone completely. By using your enemies to your advantage, you can improve your own position of power and achieve your goals.